Hey Disney, can you sing Happy Birthday?
Here's to an awesome birthday. And instead of me singing, I got two international superstars to perform.
Uh-oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, pal.
Oh, I love saying that, and many more.
Happy birthday, Bianca!
Thank you so much, babe.
It's your special day. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I'm blessed to be here. God is great, and yeah, I have a beautiful life.
Another year around the sun?
Yes,
Is that the
babe.
saying?
Absolutely.
So the plan today, we got to wake up in our wonderful Disney bed here at Disney Saratoga Springs Resort.
Yes.
And we're just going to do whatever Bianca wants to do.
Yes, it's a me day.
I think she wants to go to the mall, so we're going to head that way now, have some lunch, and then tonight we're going to have dinner somewhere on property.
Yeah.
It's just going to be a nice, relaxing Bianca kind of day.
And Dev bought me a sash.
Oh
yesterday,
yeah,
so-
birthday queen, turn up.
I don't know if I'm gonna wear it all day. I don't want the attention, but thank you so much, babe. That was really sweet.
Let's go have a fun day.
Let's go.
I hope you guys are ready because we are. Let's go do this. We got a surprise delivery. We just got a knock at our front door, and it was a cast member delivering this bowl of this delicious looking fruit and a nice little card. Oh, and something else. We also got this awesome Mickey Dome birthday cake. It says, "Happy birthday, Bianca." We just found out that our friends are the ones who told Disney about Bianca's birthday. But all of this is from Disney, so thank you so much, Disney. That was so sweet and so kind of you. It's just that Disney touch. We're going to enjoy the fruit, but we're really going to enjoy that Mickey chocolate dome cake, especially Bianca's daughter. She's going to love it. Also, really quick before we head out of the door, in my last video when I was walking around the resort, I said this was a moderate resort. This is actually a deluxe resort. I don't know, I just had a brain fart, I guess. I need to brush up on my Disney knowledge, but a few of you let it be known in the comments that, Dev, this is a deluxe resort. This is not a moderate. I guess I said moderate just because like it feels like a moderate resort. I just gave Bianca her birthday card.
That's beautiful. I really love Doctor Strange. It's one of my favorite Marvel characters, and
I know.
the second movie he says to his girl, I forgot her name, sorry, but he's my favorite. That he will love her in any time, in every time.
Every and any timeline. That's basically what I said.
Oh.
Christine, that's her name.
Christine Palmer. No hate to Christine Palmer.
Hello, Universal. So close, but yet so far. All right, and here we are at Mall at Millennia. First stop, Bianca's favorite, Sephora. So Rihanna recently released some hair care products, and I'm going to give them a try just because I've been hearing really good things for my hair type. So I'm getting the shampoo, conditioner, and the home curl cream to style my hair. Well, I think Bianca had a really good time in Sephora for her birthday. Did you get everything you wanted?
I sure did. I love Sephora. This is our little sneak peek, and I also got my birthday gift too.
Next up, Aloe. I'm in the fitting room trying a few shirts on. These shirts are so comfortable. They're so soft. I love athleisure wear. I feel like Aloe is better than Lululemon. Not everything, but some things. I have a oversized tee. This is 2XL, and it fits me very well. I'm shocked. This is coming home with me. I need new clothes because I don't fit any of my shirts anymore, and I am pretty limited on pants. It's just, I guess it comes with when you're trying to put on weight and you're bulking up.
Wow, babe, you look good.
Yeah?
Not him finding stuff on my birthday.
Nothing fits me anymore.
Yeah. This is a 2X?
2X.
Wow. I like this one.
I think, I don't know. I feel like I may like this color a little bit more than the brown one,
Yeah.
but I really like the brown one. But
This is giving fall vibes.
Okay, I think this is going to be our last stop because Bianca wants a new pair of Lululemon leggings. We made another stop inside of Bath & Body Works because all 3-wick candles are $12.95. Plus Bianca has a free birthday gift. What'd you find?
Farmhouse pumpkin and spice. It smells so good, you guys.
I did not know that they are working with Stranger Things with a collab. And they have Stranger Things candles. The upside down, Eddie's leather jacket, and the Demigorgon. Oh my gosh. That is so freaking cool. What a crazy candle holder. It's a haunted house just for one candle. It's lunchtime, and since we're here, we really like this food court because they have a lot of really good options. We got Chick-fil-A, and then I got myself a freshly pressed juice because we have really been into juicing lately. This has beet, celery, apple, orange, carrots, turmeric. I think maybe 1 or 2 other things, but yeah, I like juices like this. Okay, we are leaving the mall and heading back to Walt Disney World. And if you are interested, if you are in town staying at Disney, and if you want to come check out this mall, because I really like this mall. It's about a 20-minute drive from like the Disney area. Passing by the golf course. It's a nice looking golf course. Looks like it's about to rain though. But here we are. I like how they say, welcome home when you stay at a DVC resort.
We're home. So we have a little Sephora birthday haul. I wanted to show you guys.
Let's do it.
All right, so the first thing I got,
She was so excited to do this, by the way.
Of course. Yeah, a little shy, a little nervous, but
You got it, babe.
I got this. Okay,
I believe in you.
the first thing I pulled out is the Fenty Skin. This is the Butter Drop Hydrating Body Milk. I've been seeing commercials now. They're not even commercials, they're like ads on Shorts or TikTok or whatever, but I've been seeing Fenty, Rihanna like promoting this, and it looks really good, really hydrating, so I wanted to get that. And to stay on theme, we got some Fenty hair products. They actually just debuted at Sephora. It was online only. So we ended up getting some Fenty hair stuff. This is called the Home Curl. This is curl defining cream. So it's definitely for me, for you, for Adri. This is like for all hair types, and I know you're really gonna get a kick out of this because your hair is long now. I love it. I love that you're growing your hair out.
It's only getting longer.
Then this one's called the richer one. This is a deep conditioner, and they all smell really good. Highly recommend, check them out. This is the shampoo.
Yep.
So everything works well, obviously, if you pair it all together. That's what
it's just really
she told us.
Nice packaging. I like
Beautiful packaging. And she did this for like ASMR stuff, if you like textures and stuff. I got the Patrick Star One Size Setting Spray. This was the same spray Beyonce wore on her Renaissance tour. Every night, she sprayed this on her face and her makeup slayed the entire night. Even with all the singing and sweating and dancing, this stuff works.
Look at that.
I cannot wait to try it. Also, I am into Kosas makeup now. This is a newer brand that came to Sephora. It's all about clean makeup. They don't use like over-processed chemicals or anything. It's all clean. This is actually my birthday gift, so shout out to Sephora for supplying that. So thank you so much, Sephora. And then I got a eyebrow pencil. Then I got a bake setting and smoothing powder. I got it in peachy because it's like for my skin tone. This is the peachy one. This is the setting powder, and then I got a blush called Butterflies. It's like a pinky one that I've been wanting to try. And I'm really excited to try that brand, Kosas. And then I got, this is my favorite, the Lingerie Lip Sleeping Mask. I love this stuff, and I know you love it too.
Fellas, if you want those juicy, nice kisses, get your girl this.
Or even for you too, like we can all wear this.
Yeah.
I love it. And I had to get my Sol de Janeiro pistachio spray. I love this spray. It's so good. It just smells like butter. I just love it. I love it. And then I've been doing gua sha on my face, so I got a rose quartz Yeah, that's what it's called. This is for your face. So yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and I think they gifted us this. I'm not sure what this is. It says Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Okay, so it takes off your makeup. So if you're into that, there you go. I mean, the material for Lululemon leggings are, I keep saying butter, but it really is butter soft. They're my favorite. We went to Aloe. This was right after we went to Sephora, so I was like, let me not get anything here. These shirts are what, 2XL? Yeah. And he's filling them out. You look so good in them. Everyone was so nice today at the mall. So thank you so much. It wasn't as chaotic.
After Labor Day, it was
After Labor Day. I got a free birthday gift, and anytime that I see anything free, and it's a birthday gift or anything and it has SPF, I always get it because we live in Florida. This is the at the beach scent, so it's like that cocoa butter, coconut smell. It smells really good. I like it. This is the whipped honey and vanilla, and it smells so good.
Yeah, it does. Oh yeah. When we get back home,
what?
It's time to decorate for Halloween. Stay tuned, home vlog.
We got to put the wreath up that you got, the pumpkin one.
Yeah, we have a lot of Halloween.
Yeah, we have to go in the garage. That's always fun. Have you guys started decorating for fall? Let us know.
We're just gonna hang out for a little bit longer, then go to Disney Springs.
We're gonna walk over there.
You have a free cupcake at Sprinkles for your birthday.
I sure do. I signed up for this like years ago when it actually first opened up, and every year I get my free cupcake. And I'm gonna give it to you this time.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I mean, we have a million.
Because we just have so much sweets thanks to Disney. Thank you so much.
You have to go to Starbucks. Get your
yes,
free coffee.
And I get a free coffee. So if you guys sign up for Starbucks, you do get that free coffee, but it is only eligible for your actual birthday.
Yeah, I found that out the hard way because I got my free coffee on my birthday, but I went the next day.
They're like, sorry, it's not valid anymore.
I just took a wonderful afternoon Disney nap. I feel recharged and ready to go. Now we are going to get up, get ready, and walk over to Disney Springs to get dinner, get the ganachery, which we really don't need any more sweets, but it's Bianca's birthday and we have to get her free Starbucks birthday coffee. By the way, we are staying here in Congress Park. That's our bus stop. And we are taking the pathway over to Disney Springs. We are very close to the paddock, so we have everything over near the paddock and we have everything near Congress Park, like this adult quiet pool. It is empty right now. It did just rain, but just like that, a few minutes later, I can see the Boathouse, we can see Disney Springs, all right here. It only took us about 12 minutes to get here. Just in time too, because the rain did pick up. At least we get to listen to Christmas music to pass the time. Made it to Starbucks.
So I got a venti cold brew with sugar-free vanilla, pumpkin sauce, and vanilla sweet cream. This is about 80 calories maybe? Something like that, not too bad.
Also, I know we've been saying it's Bianca's birthday a lot. It's just part of vlogging and we're just excited that it's Bianca's birthday. I guess what I'm trying to say, just let it go. At Sprinkles now, and they do have a pumpkin spice cupcake. Got Bianca's cupcake. Well, I'm sure I'm going to be eating a lot of it too, but
got pumpkin spice.
We did get pumpkin spice. I told Bianca, let's go have your birthday dinner anywhere that you want, and she chose. Now mind you, I told her we can go wherever she wants here at Disney, and she picked the Boathouse. It's a really good decision.
I love it.
Yeah. And here we are. I am so excited. Of course, I had to order myself a Buffalo Trace Old Fashioned. Honestly, these rolls are one of the best parts about coming to this restaurant. They're so good. We also ordered the firecracker shrimp, but we did get the sauce on the side because that's what Bianca likes.
I just like it like that.
Our main entrees have arrived. By the way, everything has been so delicious thus far. We love this place. Do not miss this on your next Walt Disney World vacation. I got the salmon, and it's been roasted on a cedar plank, which is very interesting. Roasted garlic, butter, broccolini. Bianca got a side of French fries, and the classic 3 filet mignon sliders. Shout out to the Boathouse. One day, I want to eat inside of this boat here. Oh my goodness. Dinner was delicious at the Boathouse. This place never misses. My salmon was incredible. Bianca's filet mignon sliders, incredible. The service, incredible. We ate at the back bar, so we pretty much had the bar to ourselves. We just had a lot of privacy. It was really nice. We did not make a reservation. Originally, we were going back to Saba at the Conrad Orlando, but then something came up, so we canceled. And then Bianca just said, let's go to the Boathouse, and I'm so happy that we came here. And you know what's crazy? I really liked this place before. I was a seafood lover, but now that I like seafood, I like this place even more. Don't miss this. I guess we're being extra naughty today.
No.
We're at our favorite place.
So it's like sugar overload.
Oh well.
Oh well.
You only live once. They're making this chocolate in-house.
Wait a minute, I see little Mickey pumpkin balls over there. You see?
Yeah.
There's no ears on him yet.
I believe the Ganachery is getting ready to debut their Halloween treats more than likely tomorrow or here in the next few days.
This may be like that hammer thing.
Oh yeah, you're
With the
right.
marshmallows
Yep,
inside,
you're exactly
candy
right.
inside.
That's what it looks like. By the way, this is the best chocolate that we have ever had. We just left the Ganachery. We got our box of 6.
Yes.
And they were, I guess, crafting their Halloween and fall offerings, and the very nice cast member, we were just talking and she was like, I got you. She went to the back and she got the maple and pecan.
Delicious. I cannot wait to try it inside of the chocolate.
And their Halloween treats are coming September 9th. We're good to go. Anywhere else?
Let's go to World of Disney.
All right, let's go. LOL. I like how this says fun finds under $25 before tax. They have plenty of the Lorcana trading cards available. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 I had no idea they were selling these this year.
These are cute. Little pumpkin pillows. We got Mickey and
Oh
Minnie.
yeah.
What's he told?
It can match our wreath. Hands down, the best perk of staying at Saratoga Springs is the direct access that you have over to Disney Springs. Made it back to the room, and now it's time to celebrate.
Yes.
Look at this. We have quite a selection.
Quite a sweet spread, I must say. We got the ganachery.
Yes.
Let's show them which chocolates we got. Oh, look how cute
I know.
they do it. So fancy.
And they package it with a little ice packet.
Ice cube thing. Oh my gosh, we got 3 pistachio and 3 coconut. My favorite.
And then our pumpkin
Pumpkin
spice.
spice cupcake. Thank you so much, Sprinkles. And we got our chocolate ganache Mickey Dome cake. Thank you so much, Disney, for surprising us this morning. It was such a lovely surprise.
Happy birthday, Bianca.
Thank you.
We're going to save the singing of happy birthday until your daughter arrives to enjoy all of this goodness with.
Oh, yes.
But I think we're just going to sign off and enjoy the rest of the night off camera. All right, I think that's going to do it for today's video. Did you have a good birthday?
I had a wonderful birthday, and I just want to say thank you so much for all the birthday love and the comments. I did read them all, so thank you so much.
It was a nice leisure birthday. I was just talking with Bianca. For my birthday next year, I want a day like this.
Yeah,
just to wake up and just see where the day takes you, do whatever you feel like doing, and it was nice. We both took off work and we just enjoyed the day.
It was
Nice.
amazing.
By the way, I know I've said it in my last video, but we love Saratoga Springs. It is such a wonderful resort. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. I love you guys so much. Please remember, it's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.